we'll go with few NTSC problems of today's class. Okay, so those who all wanted notes, please take down. And when I'm teaching, in case you are not able to understand, ask me. If you want me to stop and then teach, uh, inform me so that I can teach you again. And wherever you want more explanation also, you can ask me. Okay, so let's understand. See, we know that in mental ability, what is mental ability is all about, which is nothing but, see, when many aspirants on the whole, that they confuse it with mathematics. So it is not only mathematics; it is more than mathematics, or it is completely different from mathematics, which focus on analogy, missing, character and classification, etc. And keep solving different kind of problems in mental ability always. Okay, which increases your ability to think, and the difficulty level of these tests increases as they go on. So there are many levels of mental ability questions, which works out basic level and moderate level, advanced level, tricky level, difficulty level problems. Likewise, it goes on. So we'll do some problems here, which works at what you call little interesting way, and little difficulty level problems and little moderate level problems, and we'll try to see few problems here. Okay, let's see the first problem of this class. So this is going to be the first problem. What it says: a man pointing to a photograph says, "The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother." How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister, who has no other sister? So in NTSC test, NTSC, one part is mental ability. In mental ability, one part, when mental ability, these kind of questions, that is from blood relations. Okay, these questions are from blood relations. You can expect such 4 or 5 questions. So let us understand this, what it happens. Can somebody understand this question is all about? What is this question is telling? A man pointing to a photograph says, "The lady in the photograph, somebody in the photograph, is my nephew's maternal grandmother." Who is nephew? Hello?
Sir, Kasin's son.
Uncle's son. Hello? Hello? I can't listen.
Sir, nephew is cousin's son, sir.
Okay. All right. So then, pointing to a photograph, who says? A man pointing to a photograph says, "The lady in the photograph." So, son or daughter, right? Am I right? Hello? Cousin means son or daughter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister, who has no other sister? So, what would be the answer? Can I get some guessing?
Sir, is it cousin, sir?
Will think? Sahana and Sadhana Shri, any guessing? Hemant, any guessing, yaar? Hemant?
Sir.
Any guessing? All right. So this is one level of questions in NTSC. Let's see the answer, how it goes. So the answer is, yes, answer A, clearly the lady is the grandmother of man's sister's son. The lady is the grandmother of, who's that lady? The lady is the grandmother of man's sister's son. Automatically, that is the mother of man's sister's son. That is the mother of the man's sister. So the lady is man's mother. Not able to understand? What happens here? Clearly, the lady is the grandmother of that man's sister's son. So how that lady is related to that man? Right. So that means mother of man's sister's son. Grandmother. So that is the mother of man's sister. So the lady is man's mother. So what is the answer here? What is the answer?
Mother, sir.
Mother.
Mother.
Mother. Are you able to understand the difference? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next question. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. Please do write and see. How is the man related to the women? How is the man related to the women? Can somebody tell me?
Nephew,
Sir,
sir.
it's a nephew, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir,
Nephew.
nephew.
Nephew. How? How this can be?
Sir, now that woman's brother, sir.
Okay.
That woman's that's a woman, sir. Her mother, brother, son is only the man, sir. So I guess it is nephew, sir. Nephew or uncle, anyone, sir. But I think I'm going with
No, no, no,
nephew.
anyone, which could be.
Sir, nephew, I think, sir.
Answer is B. Brother of mother is uncle. Uncle's son is cousin, as you stated in the first one. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother.
Sir, cousin is not in the option, sir.
How is the man
Uncle is not
related
given,
to
sir.
no? The answer is talking uncle's son is cousin. It's a statement. That's all. So answer is D.
Sir, but in the options, cousin is not there, sir.
Not here. Uncle. Answer is D. Uncle. It says solution brother of mother is uncle. Uncle's son is cousin. This is only a statement. They say that uncle's sons generally call it as cousin. Am I right?
Sir, no, sir. In the question, it is given this uncle's son only she's talking about, sir. So that cousin option was not there. I think question mistake, sir.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Women introduce a man as a son of the brother of her mother. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. That means a woman says that her mother's brother's son is this man. Am I right? Am I right? Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
Next. How is the man related to the woman? So automatically it has to be her mother's brother's son.
So it should be cousin only, no, sir.
It should be
The
cousin,
option is
sir.
not there, sir.
It is cousin. Sorry, I think I typed it wrongly. It is cousin, okay?
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. And answer D should be cousin. All right. So let's move on to the next one. The next question is a woman going with a boy is asked by another woman about the relationship between them. The woman replied, my maternal uncle and the uncle of his maternal uncle is the same. How is the lady related with that boy? What you guess? What do you think? So the question here is that a woman going with a boy is asked.
Sir, is it mother and son, sir?
Yes. So what you say? Mother
and son, sir. Option A.
Mother and son. Okay. Let's have some more understanding about this. Harish Srinidhi, you're from 11th standard, am I right?
Sir, no, sir. 10th standard only, sir.
Harish Srinidhi. No, wait. No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about another student. Harish.
Sir, I'm Yelil, sir.
11th standard, right?
Sir, I'm Yelil.
Yelil, okay. Yelil, switch on your video. Right, okay. Look at this. What happens here, Aravind? A woman going with a boy is asked by another woman. A woman going with a boy is asked by another woman about the relationship between them. So the two members are walking, another woman has come in between and asked, what is your relationship? The woman replied, my maternal uncle and the uncle of his maternal uncle is the same. That means my mother's brother and his mother's brother are the same. How is the lady related with that boy? Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
A, B, C. A is mother and son, B is aunt and nephew, C is grandmother and grandson, D is none of this. So Aravindan said something. Sadhana Shri, you're not talking anything? Sadhana?
I said none of these.
None of this. Aravindan, what you said to me?
Sir, I said mother and son, sir.
You said mother and son. Right, okay. Gopi Krishna. Gopi Krishna, what did you say? Okay, some trouble. So let's move on to the answer. Let's see the answer. What is the answer going to be? The answer is clearly the brother of woman's mother is the same as the brother of the father of boy's maternal uncle. So the women's and the boy's mother are cousins. Thus the woman is boy's aunt. Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
Correct? Understood?
Sir, no, sir, not correctly, sir.
Okay, this is correct. Clearly, the brother of woman's mother is the same as the brother of the father of boy's maternal uncle.
Okay.
Okay. So the women and the boy's mother are cousins. Isn't it?
Sir,
Yes.
yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Thus, the woman is boy's aunt. Let's go to the next one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. It's Manjula. Sir, there is a student named Harish Nidhi.
Three is Eril. Okay. Eril has joined. Eril. All right. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. This question. A row of trees. A tree is 7th from left and 14th from right end. How many trees are there in the row? Aravind?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, I'm listening to you, Manjula. That is Eril.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So let's move to the next one. So, I mean,
Sir, I had 20 trees, sir, in the row.
so in a row of trees, a tree is 7th from left and 14th from right end. See, left end it stands 7th, and right hand it stands 14th.
Sir, I think the answer is 23, sir.
Answer is
20, sir, 20.
20, sir.
answer is 20. Mm, Any guessing from Sadhana, Shri and Sahana?
Sir, even I got 20.
Gopi Krishnan,
Sir, the same, sir. I said 20.
who is Nanda Krishnan joined in this class? Hello, who is Nanda Krishnan? If you are 11th standard, the class is happening in the other ID, okay? Right. Next, let's go to the next question. I mean, the answer, let's see. Yeah, of course, total number of trees, 7 plus 14 minus 1. Understood how the trick? Because the tree stands at the 7th place. So total we have to take 7 plus 4, 14 or 6 plus 14. If you are taking 7 plus 14, then you have to minus the place of the tree. Am I right? Then only the total will come, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's move to the next one. The next question is on the screen. Aravindan, I can't see you. Yeah. Ramesh ranks 13th in the class of 33 students. There are 5 students below Suresh rank wise. How many students are there between Ramesh and Suresh? Ramesh ranks 13th in the class of 33 students. There are 5 students below Suresh rank wise. Okay. How
Sir,
many-
is it 16 students, sir?
How?
Sir, now Ramesh rank is 13, sir. I think Suresh should be 28, sir. So 13 minus 28 plus 1, I got 16, sir.
So how many students you are telling in the, between Ramesh and Suresh?
Sir, in between there should be 16 students, sir, if I am right.
Okay. Gopi Krishna, Sadhana Shri.
So doing, sir.
Okay. Edil. Well, let's see. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then Ramesh. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is Suresh. Then in that case, what happens? Total number of students, 33. Number of students in between Ramesh and Suresh is 33 minus 13 plus 6. Are you able to understand? Gopesh, are you able to understand? Ask me if no.
Sir, I couldn't understand this, sir.
So that's what I'm waiting for. Ask can only can explain. So what is the question here? Ramesh ranks 13th in the class of 33 students. So Ramesh ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 at the 13th place. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Move on to the question back again. There are 5 students below what?
Suresh.
Suresh, rank wise. If you take rank wise, there are 5 students below Suresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next. How many students are there between Ramesh and Suresh? So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 14, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So, and this here, 13 student. He is in the 13th place. So we have taken 13 plus 5 plus Suresh, 6. So 13 plus 6 is 19. 33 total students. 33 minus 19 is 14. Where is Aravindan? Sanjeev? Can't see. Sanjeev, are you here? Okay, let's move on to the next one. It goes like this. EDC is to RQP. In that case, LKJ will be what? EDC is to RQP. In that case, LKJ will be what? We were already discussed such kind of questions when I last time when I was teaching this, I said like when it alphabets comes, please write A to Z, A as 1 and B as 2, C as 3 likewise, and find out the difference between EDC and RQP. The same will be applied to LKJ also. I said if E comes A, B, C, D, E in the 5th place, E comes in the 5th place, D goes 4th place, C goes 3rd place. Likewise, R, Q, P. Reverse, P, Q, R. If in the same way, J, K, L, then what will be the next one?
Sir, it is WXY.
WXY.
C, sir.
WX? Hello? Are you very easy question?
Sir, YXW, sir.
YX?
C.
YX?
Sir, option C, option C.
Option C. Option C.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
W.
Okay, let's see how this has come. Look at this. E plus 13 R, D plus 13 Q, C plus 13 P, R, Q, P, or P, Q, R. Similarly, L plus 13 is Y, K plus 13 is X, J plus 13 is W. So Y, X, W. Understood?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Move on to the next one. A, B, C, X, Y, Z is to, or if A, B, C, X, Y, Z is D, E, F, U, V, W, in that case, G, H, I, R, S, T comes how?
Option A.
Option?
A.
Okay. Let's go with 1 or 2 students more.
Sir, option A, sir.
Option
A
A.
only.
Option A, sir.
Why you guys say option A? Why do you say it is option A?
Sir, after A, B, C, it comes D, E, F, sir. It is in the ratio of D, E, F, sir. After X, Y, before X, Y, Z, it is U, V, W, sir.
Okay.
In that way, after G, H, I, it comes J, K, L, sir.
Okay.
Before R, S, T, it comes O, P, Q, sir.
All right. Good. Let's see. So clear? Understood? A, B, C
Yes,
plus
sir.
1 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, it goes to A, B, C. A, B, C. All right. A, B, C, it goes to X. What happens here?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sharon. So A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and it goes to how C goes to D and Z goes to U. So the way we have understood, it's clear. Those who are not able to understand, please copy this level. At least one level you write so that you will be able to understand when next time when you do the problem, you'll be able to do it. Okay, perfectly. So let's move to the next one. Sharon, it would be better if we have the face-to-face.
Sir, I'm using my PC, sir.
Right, okay. Let's see the next one. It goes to GHB. If we can write, if you are writing GHB as HBG, then in that case, JKM, how do we write?
Sir, can I join with another device, sir?
Please, please.
Thank you, sir.
KMJ.
KMJ, sir.
Okay.
MJ.
KMJ.
KMG.
Why Hemant? Hemant, why are KMJ? Aravind?
Sir, in the first case, sir, G, the first letter becomes the last letter, sir.
Okay.
So J will become the last letter, sir. Then K, second letter becomes the first letter, sir. So K, sir. Then remaining letter M, sir. So KMJ, sir.
Wonderful. Good. Let's see. So, okay. So G goes to G, H goes to first letter, B goes to the middle. In that case, it is KMJ. Well understood. So let me make it very clear. So this is missing series word type questions. Okay, in word alphabet series. What it calls in mental ability, it calls as alphabet series, and this will come in. Surely you will have 2 or 3 questions in mental ability match section of NTSE. Understood? In NTSE, 100% sure 2 to 3 questions are generally asked every year. Clear? Alphabet series. Let's see the next question. The next question comes with little big word. ASDF GHJK, which says FDSAKJHG. In that case, how do we write QWERTYUI?
Sir, it is RE option B, sir.
Yes, Aravind. I'll wait for one more student to answer. A become F here or S become D here, D become S here. That means something is the DSDF. And or like what did you say? Like what is your guessing? And Aravind, what do you say to me?
Sir, I told option B, sir. Option B.
Can you explain?
Sir, it is given ASDF. It is given, sir. So yeah, position of A and S is changed to S and A, sir, and it's taken to F and D, sir. Now D and F is changed to F and D, and it's brought front, sir. So first 4 letters alone I took concluded, sir.
You mean to say that here it is ASDF. It is written as here in the reverse ASDF. Am I right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Now GHJK is written as GHJK. So automatically here QWER should be starting with REWQ. Then TYUI will be writing IUYT. So option B. Am I right? Right.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So option B is correct. Let's move on to the next question. So wine is written as XVJHOMFD. In that case, what will be poet?
Sir, it is option C, sir.
How dear?
Sir, I took only the first letter, sir. It is given W, sir. VWX, sir. Similarly, OPQ, sir. So only, sir.
Sorry, come again. W, you have taken W as first letter.
Sir, I took W, sir. Now it is in alphabetical series, it will come V, W, and X, sir. So it is given X, V, sir. Similarly, for P, it will be O, P, Q. So it will be Q and O, sir. So it is option C, sir.
Gopi Krishna, anything? Do you have anything to say?
No, sir.
Let's see. Is it okay now, Aravind?
Sir, yes, sir.
Correct. So W plus 1 is X and W minus 1 is V. Similarly, P plus 1 is Q, P minus 1 is O, right? Each letter, look at this letter, I plus 1 is J and minus 1 is H. So the answer is C. What is the C option? What was the C option? Q, O, P, N, F, D, U, S. Am I right? Right. Let's move to the next question. They are different. The Sharon is there. Sharon, are you
Sir,
there?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
I think Sadhana will be able to tell me this answer. Sadhana or Sahana, can you try this? Eril, are you there? Eril, are you there? Oh, she's not listening.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this morning I wake up. I think let Gopi Krishna read this. Gopi is seriously reading it. So I would like to hear from you. Gopi Krishna, read this. Gopi? Gopi Krishna, are you listening to me? Gopi Krishna? I think he's seriously reading it. And who can read this for me? Sadhana, you read this.
This morning I woke up at 9 o'clock. My first job was to drink a glass of water and brush my teeth. After that, I ate an apple, 2 bananas, and a toast with an almond butter for breakfast. Then I went to the gym for 1 hour and took a shower and came back to home at 11. I cooked few pieces of chicken with sweet potatoes for lunch. Ate everything. In afternoon, I started working on my project while listening to classical music. In evening, I went for the second time to the gym, did cardio for half an hour. After that, visited my friend's apartment. We had together one big piece of our dinner, and in the end, I fell asleep on his couch. As you can see, my entire day was perfect except that my laptop keyboard broke. Can you figure out what was wrong with it?
Where is Aravind then?
Sir, yes, sir.
Any guessing?
Sir, I'm thinking, sir.
Sharon, any guessing?
Sir, I'm
Sir, when
thinking,
he
sir.
ate the 2 bananas, that peel will be down, sir. Unknowingly, he will be slipped, and when he's taking the laptop carrying, it will be fell down and broke, sir.
See the question. The question is here. As you can see, my entire day was perfect except that my laptop keyboard broke. Okay. So you are finding out that the banana peel is a trouble. Yeah.
I think so, that's sir.
So maybe after he finished his work, his laptop broke.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Sir, is it something with the classical music part, sir?
No. No, actually, see, this is something little logic is involved, and of course, when I say logic is involved in the sense like we have to think how this goes differently, right? Okay, let's see the answer. So, shall we move to the answer now? Or you
Yes, sir.
want more time to think on this? Do you want more time? Kanishka, the class is happening in the other ID. Please use the other ID. Kanishka, 11th standard. Please go to the other ID. Right, okay. Let's see. All of the numbers in the text are written using digit symbols, except for the ones containing 1, 11 first. This inconsistency implies that the number 1 key on the keyboard is broken. Hello?
Sir, could you show the question again, sir? Sir, yes, sir. All numbers related to one is typed in words, sir, instead of typing in number. So it is given like that, sir.
Correct. So instead of it like that, one is written as word. The rest of the numbers are given 9, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3, 9, like all these digits. Am I right? Is it okay? Sharon, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next question. So you may draw this first. Move only 2 mastics so that you get 4 identical squares. There should not be any spare mastics left. Hope you are drawing in your diary or note. The picture, please draw this and see. Move
Sir,
only.
shall I,
Ah.
sir,
Right hand.
shall I draw and show it, sir?
Your note. Please show me your note after drawing this.
Yes, sir.
What happens with this? So from where do we remove so that we get 4 identical squares? If you remove and show me, okay? Draw it in your note and then show me. Aravindan, trying?
Sir, yes, sir, but I am not able to correctly understand that question, sir.
Question is that like you have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares here. Am I right? Sorry, 5 squares here, isn't it? Hello.
Sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Move 2 mastics. You can remove 2 mastics from this picture. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
so that when you remove this should become 4 square. This should be 4 square.
So from this picture, we should remove 1 square, sir.
So like totally there should only be 4 squares, sir.
Yeah, you see, move only 2 mastics. When
Sir, I think in that top row, sir, first square there are 1, 2 mastics, no, sir. If you remove that means you'll have 4 squares, sir.
draw it for me. Right, let me see. Gopi Krishna. Yeah, I think you are very close. Which one will you remove? Okay, that one. And next one. Okay.
Sir, I removed this one, sir,
Okay.
and this one, sir. This,
Okay.
and I removed this, sir. And this is
You
the answer.
removed this one. Look at the board. You said you removed this one and you removed this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me get from others. That means one.
Sir, but
See, listen. See, if you remove this, then 1 mastic is left here, and 1 mastic is left here, 1 mastic is left here, and this will become 1, 2, 3 square. 1, 2, 3 square. 1, 2, 3 square. If you remove this, or if you remove this,
Sir, can I show mine, sir?
sorry,
Can I show what I drew, sir?
who is that? Aravind.
Yes, sir.
1 second, Aravind. Let me take your video. Yeah, show me, Aravind. Where you have removed, show me in the pen. Show me with the pen. Point the pen to the note. Okay. That part on top. Okay, then next.
Sir, yes, sir. Those two I removed, sir.
Sorry. Okay, you removed this one and this one. This one.
Sir, yes, sir.
This one you removed. And this one you removed. So what I'll do with this mastics?
Sir, not that one, sir.
Ah.
That previous square 1, 2 mastics are there, sir. That I removed, sir.
These two. This one.
Sir, that one and that standing one,
This
sir.
one. This
Sir, no, sir. Opposite side. Ah, yes, sir.
one.
Sir.
These two.
Yes,
So
sir.
we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let us see. So if you removed these two, this one and this one.
Sir, yes, sir.
Let's see whether that can match. Sadhana, are you trying? You want to try? Before I tell
Yes,
you.
sir.
Sharon is there? She's trying?
Sir, I'm trying, sir.
Of course. Okay.
Sir, shall I show mine?
Who's that?
Sadhana, sir.
Tell me. Show me.
So,
Yeah, show me. Show me the note. Yeah, of course. Okay. Yeah, I'm able to see that one. Okay, this one. Yeah, the down one. You said that this one. This one. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's go to the answer now. I think we're taking more time. Let's go to the answer.
Sir, which one did they move, sir?
Which one?
Which one did they move?
They removed this one and removed what has happened. Look at this. Removed this. Removed this.
Yes, sir.
Then what has happened next? Understood?
Sir, how, sir?
Look at this. Move only two matchsticks so that you get four identical squares. There should not be any spare matchsticks left. See, you can take these two matchsticks and place anywhere. That means that matchstick should not be left. That means you cannot throw away that matchsticks anywhere. Understood? What you guys are understood is that you have removed this and kept it with you. Question says move anywhere in this picture, move only two matchsticks. Anywhere you can move these two matchsticks so that you get four identical squares. You should not take away that. What you guys have did is you all removed it. They said move, not remove. And they also said like any spare matchsticks left.
Sir, yes, sir. Could you show that answer now, sir?
Understood now?
Sir, yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Let's move on to the next. Sharon, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Others, Sadhana, Shri and all?
yes, sir.
Understood.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here is another question. One snowy night, Sherlock Holmes was in his house, sitting by a fire. All of a sudden, a snowball came crashing through the window and breaking it. Holmes got up and looked out just in time to see three neighborhood kids who were brothers run around the corner. Their names were John Crimson, Mark Crimson, and Paul Crimson. The next day, Holmes got a note on his door that read, question mark, Crimson, he broke your window. Which of the three Crimson brothers should Sherlock Holmes question about the incident?
Mark Crimson.
Who said that?
Sir, Shahana.
Okay. I'll wait for some other answers. Where is Aravind then?
Sir, I don't know correctly, sir.
Think about Sahana, Sadhana Shri. Sahana told me, and Sadhana Shri, I'm waiting. Gopi Krishna, I'm waiting.
Sir, even I am thinking Mark Crimson because there's a question mark over there.
Okay. Are you sure?
Kind of.
Let's see. All right. So a little typical thinking. That's good. Such kind of thinking is really good. So he should question mark the note read question mark crimson. He broke your window. Right? So different. See, when he is wrote, actually he wrote very clearly question crimson. So mark crimson. Sorry, crimson. Am I right? So we have to question mark crimson. Aravind,
Sir, I understood, sir. Sir.
let's go to the next one. Next question is on the board. Can Aravind read this question, Aravind?
Sir, yes, sir. You roll a 5-sided pencil on the table. On one of its sides, it is written HB pencil. The others are blank. What is the chance that the side with text on it ends up straight on top?
Yes. So what will happen here?
Sir, is it 1/5, sir?
No, I don't know. Here it is probability only, right?
Sir,
There are
yes. So,
Yes, sir. 1/5 is the answer.
that means 1/5 means like how do you explain?
It's a 5-sided pencil, sir.
sir.
Okay. Here it is. What is the chance that the side with the text on it end up with straight on top?
So number of favorable outcomes divided by number of outcomes, sir. Total number of outcomes, sir.
Okay.
So that it can be 1/5, sir.
Okay, let's see. Gopi Krishna, do you have any answer?
So I said the answer, sir. 1/5.
Okay. So you said 1/5. So all of you keep your videos on, otherwise I'll not be able to see you, please. Right. So let's see. And Aravind?
So 1/5, sir.
1/5. Girl side? Anyone? Sahana, any thinking? Okay. Let's see.
Sir, but how, sir? It may actually like fall in like one side also, no, sir.
Chance is 0. See, the chance is 0 since the pencil has an odd number. All right.
Sir, it is
Odd number,
pentagon, sir, so it will naturally be balancing as sir 0.
it is 0. It cannot balance at all, yeah. How would it will balance? 5 sides.
Oh, yes, sir. The corner pointy thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is impossible that any of them ends up straight on top. Understood? Aravind, then understood now?
Sir, yes, sir, I understood, sir. So it is pentagon, sir. So one side will not.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. Let's move on to the next one. Can Sahana read this question?
Two identical balls are placed together so their grooves intermesh. If you move the balls around each other as you would twiddle your thumbs, holding each ball firmly by the head so it does not rotate and twiddling them in the direction shown below, will the heads move inward, move outward, or remaining the same distance from each other?
So what will happen? Testing. Take the 2 screws.
Come at the top, yes, sir.
Like this.
Sir, I think it will remain at the same distance, sir, because both are spinning in opposite direction, sir. So both will cancel each other out, sir.
When you insert, when you are pulling inside one, if you rotate on the right side, it goes inside. If you rotate on the left side, right, what happens? It comes out. Am I right?
Clockwise tight,
Right.
anti-clockwise loose, I think, sir.
Yeah, both you are trying to cross, right? So what will happen? Both is in the right direction. You are tuning it in the right direction. Am I right? Then what will happen? In that case, what will happen?
Sir, remain the same distance from each other, sir.
Sure. Are you sure?
Sir, yes, sir. I think it will be remain the same distance, sir.
Any guessing, Sharon?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Yeah, one of the bolts will be screwing itself and the other one will be unscrewing itself. This will happen at the same place, same pace, and the bolt will remain the same distance from each other. Thus the answer is C. Okay. Understood, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next one. The next question is here. A is 3 years older to B and 3 years younger to C. While B and D are twins, how many years older is C and D? This question, this type of questions will be there 3 or 4 questions in mental ability. Okay. In NTSC, you can expect 3 or 4 questions from this area. Similar questions, or maybe the same question may repeat. No idea. A is 3 years older to B. So write A is A plus 3, or A, what do we write? A is 3 years older to B. So A plus 3 is equal to B, and 3 years younger to C, and B is 3 years younger to C. So B minus 3 is C. While B and D are twins,
Sir,
how
C
many
is
years
6
older
years
is,
older than B, sir.
sorry?
I think C is 6
I
years
can't,
older than B, sir.
that means the answer is B.
Sir, yes, sir.
You say the answer option is B.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's see others. Anyone else? Let's see what could be the chances of. All right, any other guessing? Gopi Krishna, do you think anything else? Like, do you have any more thinking on this?
Sir, no, sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, let's see the. Shall we go to the answer? Okay, let's see. Arvind,
Sir, yes, sir.
let's see the answer now.
Sir, 6B, sir, option B.
Correct. Since B and D are twins, so B is equal to D. Now A is equal to B plus 3 and A minus C is A is equal to C minus 3. Thus B plus 3 is equal to C. B plus 3 is equal to C minus 3 and C minus D is 6. Okay. If you want, you can copy this. I said such kind of questions will come. Clear? Let's move on to the next one. The next question is on the board. Very simple question. Mostly this kind of questions are repeated every year just to check your mental skill. Let's see, Aruna cut a cake into two halves and cuts one half into smaller pieces of equal size. Each of the small pieces is 20 grams in weight. If she has 7 pieces of the cake in all with her, how heavy was the original cake? Aravind, any guessing? Sadhana, any guessing? Gopi Krishna?
Sir, one second, sir. I'll work out.
Yeah, very simple, yeah. Look at this, what happens? What is the, she's got a cake, okay? One half into smaller pieces of equal size. Each of the small pieces 20 grams in weight. Okay? Each of the small pieces are 20 grams in weight. And how many 20 grams are there?
7, sir.
Cuts the cake into two halves and cuts one half into smaller pieces of.
Sir, it is 240 grams, sir, because 7 pieces of cake, sir, including one big half, sir. That another half is cut into 6 pieces, sir. So half is 120 grams, full will be 240 grams, sir.
Very simple. So look at this. She cuts one cake into two. Okay, one particular areas of cake she has cut it into 6 pieces. The each 6 pieces are 20 grams. So 6 into 2, 120, 20 grams, right? Hello, correct?
Sir, yes, sir.
6 into 20, 120, and one piece is 120, and the next piece is big. But that she didn't cut it to anybody. So the next part is another 120. Hello, understood?
Sir, yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Move on to the next one. Very simple. So here comes the missing series. Let's see. It says here 17, 24, 6, and 8, 25, 10. The next goes 12, 11, and something is missing here. So how do we identify what is missing? Edil, are you there? Edil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what can be the chances here? How this would have framed? How this number would have framed? 17, 24, 6, 8, 25, 10, 12, 11, something is missing. Any guess? Or are you able to calculate this? let's see this. Answer is 7. What happens? Sum of the numbers in middle column equals to the sum of the remaining numbers in the table. 24 plus 25 plus 11 is equal to 60. 17 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 6, 12 plus 7 is equal to 60. So answer is 7. Not able to understand? In the above manner, sum of the numbers in the middle column equals to sum of the remaining numbers in the table. Okay. Right? Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. Understood now? Sadhana Shri, all of you understood? Yeah. Let's move to the next one now. The next one is a very big table. 162,024, and again column wise 13753 6966 9968. Think like how we can solve this. How can we solve this? How do we solve this? Any guess? Aravind? Gopi Krishna, Sadhana Shri, any guess? Ashwin?
Doing so. Shall we check the answer? How it is derived?
Sir, yes, sir.
Look at this. In the above puzzle, logic is that the average of first two-digit number and last two-digit number gives middle two-digit number in each row. 16 plus 24 divided by 2 divided by 2 is 20. 16 plus this 16 plus 24 divided by 2 is 20. Okay. Hello. Are you with me?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's see the answer. In that case, answer comes as 8. 38 plus 88 divided by 2, 63. In that case, 8 is the answer, average. Let's go to the next one. Are you okay? Yeah, let's move on to the next one. The next question is on the screen. 32, 320, PT 228, and L something is missing. Arvind, are you there? Gopi Krishna, are you there?
Sir, yes, sir.
I can't see Sahana, she's there. Sahana is missing. Okay. Network issues. Sahana. So what could be the answer? What are the chances of getting a number here?
Sir, P value, P if we take it as number, sir, it is 16, sir. T is 20, sir. So 16 into 20, 320. I think that is.
What is the answer? P is in alphabetic order. It is comes under the place of or comes with the place of 16. Is that you say? Hello, Arvind?
The pattern, sir. Sir, 1 second, sir. If I
Yeah. Okay.
So is it N?
N.
find the answer, I'll tell, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You how do you say that?
Sir, because T is 16, sir. T is 20, sir. 16 into 20, we got 320, sir. Similarly, L is 12, sir. L into 19 is only 228, sir. 19 is yes, sir.
19th letter is S. That's what you say. Am I right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Isn't it? That's what you said.
Sir, yes, sir.
Let's see. So 1 to 26 numbers are assigned to alphabet from A to Z in the respective manner. So P is equal to, or P comes at the place of 16 and T comes at the place of 20. So L is 12 and S is 19. Now from above picture, 16 to 20 is 320, 12 into 19 is 228. So answer is 19 is at the place of S, or S is at the place of 19. Is it okay? Hello.
Sir, yes, sir.
Let's go to the next one now. Let's try the next one. Keep videos on so that only I can see you, please. Yeah. Keep your videos on, we can interact. That would be better. Yeah. Let's go now. How many of you can calculate this? Yeah, let's think how this has to be calculated. What it comes here, 289 and 324 and 36.
10 minus 1, sir.
3 plus
First row, 2 plus 8, 10. 2 plus 8, 10, sir. Minus 1, 9, sir.
Yeah.
3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1, 4, sir. So I think it should be 8, sir. 3 plus 6, 9. Minus 1, 8.
Okay. And what is the relationship like this? 233 or 826? Is there any relationship? No.
Sir, no, I think it is not there, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see now. I think only one is responded to me. Solution in the given number. What happens here? Number sequence. First row is 17 into 17, which is equal to 289. Second row is 18 into 18, which is equal to 324. Third row is 19 into 19, which is equal to 361. So answer is 1. What happened?
Sir, but that pattern I told is also coming in that one, sir.
Coming? But then you said some other answer to me, right?
Sir, yes, sir, I told 2 plus 8, 10, sir. Minus 1, we got 9, sir, in the third row. Then 3 plus 2, 5, minus 1, 4 in the third row, sir. Similarly, I thought 3 plus 6, 9, minus 1, 8, sir.
But answer is 1 only, no? Because this should match. 284, 324, that means 17 into 17, 18 into 19, 19 into 19. So it is taken a different way. Okay. So it's a relationship between the number 289, 324, and 361. Let's move on to the next one. Is it okay? Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Find the center number. If you are writing NTSC, expect such kind of questions. Four 32, 535, 11, 612, missing 331, 728, 43, 963. Are you trying? Are you guys trying this?
Yes, sir.
Aravindan, are you trying?
Sir, yes, sir.
I can't see you. Keep your video on.
Sir, yes, sir. Once again, sir.
Gopi, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
So where is your video? Can't see you.
Sir, once again, sir, already order and come, sir.
Hmm. So any guessing? So shall we go to the answer now? Are you able to work it out? Or is there any kind of understanding is happening? How these columns and rows are written with numbers? Let's see. So I have derived an answer. Let's go to the answer now. Let's see how the answer comes. Answer is 8. What happens in the above table? Middle number of each row is equal to half of the sum of the other numbers in the respective row. In the above table, what happens? That means in the question, what happens? Middle number of each row is equal to half of the sum of the other numbers in the respective row. 4 plus 2 is 6. Half of 6 is? Hello? Hello? Next. Then what happens next? How this will come? How this 5 has come? Five plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 10. Half of 10 is? Hello?
5, sir.
5, sir.
So next. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 6 plus 1 plus 2, 9 plus 3. Hello?
Sir, 16, sir.
What is the middle number?
8, sir.
8.
Very good. So let's see. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, when this kind of picture missing, like this comes in picture series, and this comes like this kind of questions comes. You please check, because there are big numbers. Like you don't read it as 432, 535. Likewise, see is there any missing is there anything missing or any hidden agenda is here, or any kind of like what you call, how these numbers are going to match. So add, multiply, or try to do with single digit first, then go with 2 digit and then 3 digit. Don't take it as a big digit and count. Okay. Normally 80% of such questions will come with single digit calculations, such kind of series. Okay, right. Let's go to the next one. See this now. 31, 17, 58 and 87, 68, 19 and 61, 56, 91, 22, 70 and 50, 10, 142, 11 and something is missing. So what is the chances here? Any guess? Satana, any guess? Aravindan, Gopi Krishnan, any
Doing,
guess?
sir.
Sir, doing, sir.
Yeah, so practice such kind of questions, very important. And if you do continuous practice with such kind of questions, things will be easy. Because as I told in the beginning, that there are few problems which will be little tricky, and there are few problems which will be little difficult level, and there are problems with logical levels, and you have to have continuous practice with such kind of problems. You'll be able to do it on a regular basis. All of a sudden, this is difficult. Okay. Only thing is practice matters here. So kindly practice. Let's see what is the answer here. What happens? Answer is 7. In the given table, addition of numbers of each column will give 200. As I told you in the previous question also, that don't calculate or don't count it as full. See, if you look at this, 31, 68, 91, 10 is 200, 17, 19, 22, and 142 is 200. Again, 58, 61, 71, and 11 is 200. So automatically 87, 56, 50, and some number is here, which will be 200. So what is the answer? Hello? Are you able to understand? So the answer is 7. Answer is 7. See, my question is that, like, all of you, who have applied for NTSC examination, mental ability is one part, another part is scholastic aptitude test, your SAT part. So you need to see that in mental ability, as we told earlier also, like questions from analogy and questions from number series, question from coding, question from blood relations, direction sense test, all these are expected. So we have already practiced many times, and today I've taught you about analogy with alphabet series. Then what and all we learned? Other things. We learned about logical thinking questions. We learned about missing series, right? So kindly practice this on regular basis. And before exams, we'll do few more classes of this. And after all, your practice matters. So continuously practice. In case you have any doubt, come back to Guruji. I hope all of you are checking the YouTube link which is sent to you. Hope you are all subscribed it. Am I right? So we keep updating a lot of videos with related to the classes and with related to the exam informations, and also keep subscribe Guruji's link from YouTube, and so that it is easy for you to get the updations on regular basis. Okay, even though we will be sending, it's still that will make more reachable, and unless, it will be easy for you to, that you are not missing any informations. Right, so keep practicing. All the best. Hope you enjoyed the class. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. See you soon in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.